MacBook Air 13 M4, 16GB, 256GB, Midnight Black. Specification: chip, Apple M4, 10-core CPU, 8-core GPU, 16-core neural engine. Memory, 16GB unified memory. Storage, 256GB SSD. Display, 13.6 liquid Retina, True Tone. Camera, 12MP FaceTime HD, center stage. Ports, MagSafe 3, 2x Thunderbolt 4, 3.5mm headphone jack. Charger, 30W USB-C power adapter. Design, slim, fanless, lightweight aluminum body. Battery, up to 18 hours fast charging. Features, Apple Intelligence integration. Let's unbox it, lifting the lid. You're greeted by that sleek, fingerprint-resistant aluminum body. The midnight black finish feels premium and modern. Pick it up, it's feather-light and impossibly thin. The unibody design is solid, yet elegant. Perfect for travel, study, or work anywhere. Fire it up, and the M4 chip shows its muscle. The 10-core CPU, choose through multitasking. The 8-core GPU gives silky graphics. And the neural engine powers next-gen AI tasks. Paired with 16GB memory, you can edit photos, stream in 4K, and run heavy apps without a pause. The display is pure eye candy, sharp, bright, and color accurate. True Tone makes it comfortable on your eyes. The 12MP FaceTime HD camera with center stage keeps you perfectly framed in calls. And the 3-mic array makes your voice crystal clear. The Magic Keyboard is a joy to type on, with precise, quiet keys, while the Force Touch trackpad is spacious and responsive. Connectivity is top-notch. MagSafe 3 for safe charging, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports for high-speed transfers or external displays, and a headphone jack for wired audio lovers. Battery life, a crazy 18 hours. And the fanless design means it's totally silent no matter what you're doing. Price, in the US, the base model runs at USD $999, sometimes dropping to around USD $799 on sale. In India, it's listed at Rs 93,990 on Amazon. And in stores, students can snag discounts. And some banks offer cashback deals. Please note that pricing may change based on the US President Mr. Donald Trump's tax tariffs and policies. Whether you're editing 4K video, coding, or streaming, the MacBook Air M4 is sleek, powerful, and portable, one of the best thin-end light laptops of 2025. I purchased this for my YouTube channel, and it appears to be an appropriate machine. Please refer to the description for additional details. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos. Goodbye for now, take care. Editing continues overnight.